Everybody, Cole here. And for my project, I decided to create an armband that was designed to, as sort of a solution to the movement of headphones as you run, like the banging around of headphones as you run. And so what I started off with was a piece. This is the whole thing right here. It's on my arm. There's the two main armband pieces, and then the forearm piece, which has the actual phone in it. You can see it light up. And the headphones run through here. They start in the phone and then are held in place by these armbands, and then run through my shirt sleeve and then up through this connecting piece right here. It's like a little piece of fabric which locks the headphones into place and keeps them from moving around in your shirt too much. And so then they can go from there up onto your ears like that, and whatever excess headphones left here you can just put down into your shirt. And so my rationale for this project was I wanted to combine two things that I loved, running and music, and I wanted to relate that back to my design process. And the main focus I focused on was organization, and I kind of built off of this with my idea. So I thought of the whole project as kind of like a process. The actual process starts here with the actual patch, and then as the headphones will run down through each armband and then eventually connect into the phone, and kind of like the input to output of the actual headphones themselves. So I decided to use stitching instead of glue for putting most of this project together, to stitch the fabric onto the nylon, because I wanted to use sort of a more permanent material, as glue seems to have like sort of a deadline attached to it, like it eventually runs out, and I wanted to use this idea of permanence to connect with my design process, which I want to be based around organization with this process of the headphone moving up the arm and not moving around as much. I wanted to combine permanence to it because I feel like with organization, with structure, the ideas are free flowing and they never seem to like run out. There's a constant process of ideas, where the glue represents kind of like, I don't know, like eventually it's going to run out. So the reason I decided to focus on organization within my project is because I thought it could kind of iterate what I want to add to my design process, which is organization, and also like points out the flaw in which I don't have organization. And all my ideas are very random and not structured. If I could just bring them together, this is why I made this project. And this relates to music because I feel that every song is kind of a story. Every lyric, the way the lyrics and the rhythms and the melodies combined kind of creates a story. There's a story created within each song. And I like to follow the rhythm, the story, the lyrics from point A, like to the beginning of the song to the end of the song. And it has to be organized, it has to be structured, everything has to come together for the song to work. And one of my favorite bands, Switchfoot, actually has a song with the lyric, on the final day I die, I want to hold my head up high, I want to tell you that I tried to live it like a song. And this kind of relates to who I am, that I want to go down, I guess, fighting, and I want to live my life doing what I love. And I feel like the thing keeping me like away from this is my fear to fail. And I think that this fear to fail directly relates to organization, because I think what's holding back my organization is my fear to think the wrong thing, to do the wrong thing, to fail basically, and that's what's imploding all the ideas. It's exploding into like a black hole basically, where I can't ever retrieve them. And I think if I were to eliminate this fear and just live my life without this fear, that I could really it would really help improve the way I organize my design process. Peace.